Aveeno, Repairing Cica Hand Mask, 2 single-use gloves. Product Overview Description. Dermatologist recommended enriched with prebiotic coat and shea butter helps repair extra dry, problem skin 10 minutes. 1 paraben-free fragrance-free formulated to be gentle enough for sensitive skin. Aveeno Dermatologist recommended for over 65 years. Indulge your hands in our new easy-to-use, non-drip Repairing Cica Hand Mask. These gloves are the latest addition to the Aveeno Skin Relief collection, designed to help restore essential moisture to problem skin. They are infused with a unique formula that helps balance skin's natural moisture barrier, containing shea butter with levels of prebiotic coat known to have soothing and nourishing properties, leaving your hands visibly soft, smooth and healthy looking. What is Cica? Cica comes from the French word cicatrisation. Aveeno Repairing Cica Hand Mask is formulated to intensely moisturize and help repair problem skin. Problem skin is defined as extra dry skin. Suggested use. Step 1, wash hands thoroughly and dry. Step 2, insert one hand in each glove and fasten the strap for comfort. Wear as you would any other glove and enjoy some well-deserved me time. Step 3, remove after 10 minutes. No need to rinse. Step 4, massage remaining product into skin until fully absorbed. Other ingredients: water, glycerin, distilled ammonium chloride, butyrolatum, isopropyl palmitate, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, Aveeno sativa, oat, kernel flour, benzoyl alcohol, Aveeno sativa, oat, kernel oil, steareth 20, sodium chloride, butyrospermum parkii, shea butter, extract, Aveeno sativa, oat, kernel extract. Disclaimer. While iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.